Okay, everyone. So in this session, I just want to run you through with how we can try to go work with some of the Windows screen option in Godot. And this is something that I've been exploring for today. And you will see if we try to resize the screen, it's skipping in the middle. And if we did do a little bit of resizing of the window, so it's not dynamic. And what we can try to explore here will be the project settings from where we can go and set up the viewport width and height. Let's try to apply HD here. 1920 by 1080, if I'm not making a mistake, for the wide screens. And let's see what that will be producing for us. You will see it's occupying currently the full screen. So that's how you can change the size of the screen. Now the question here is now we can go and stop the player there. And another thing that we can try to explore here, if I try to go back here, I'm just going to set this to 1 to 80 by 720. And in here, you would notice, let me just first play that. And now we do have it resize in this manner. And still, the dynamic movement or the dynamic screen here is not yet resizing according to the size of the screen. So let's try to go and set up this option from where we will be choosing canvas items. Let's see what that will be doing. And if we now play, and you'll see that's still the same, but if we try to go and resize, you'll see it's resizing according to the screen size. Okay, so I just want to talk a little bit more just to deepen my understanding on the stretch options here. So we do have three options disabled. We have the canvas item and the viewport. So for the viewport, that will usually be recommended for pixel art items. Canvas items will not be recommended for pixel art. And disabled is just basically nothing, no stretching is happening in our screen. So you would see if you hover on top of the mode, you will find some balloon tip or some tooltips here with the definition on how those options are being used in creating games. So as I mentioned, you would see in the canvas items, this is recommended for most games that don't use a pixel art aesthetic. For viewport, it is recommended for games that use a pixel art aesthetic. So perhaps that's it for this video. I just wanted to further deepen my understanding of those modes. And I hope you learned something. Thank you and see you on the next video.